Alright, I'm logged in remotely to my Ubuntu server, and we're going to install and set up SAMBA. So the first thing we want to do always before we install new software is sudo apt, the package manager, and update. We want to see if there's any updates. Now it does show there's two packages that can be upgraded, but it won't let us upgrade them right now because it's part of some phased release thing. Anyway, ignore that. Normally you would try, I already have, nothing updated. So now we're going to install SAMBA. apt install SAMBA. And it's going to say, are you sure? Well, SAMBA requires lots of stuff, which that's fine. It's a server. So we type Y, press enter, and then it's going to install for a bit. It's time to do some configuration. So we're going to sudo nano and configure. Let's clear this out. No, I guess I don't have to. Oh, that's weird. I was doing shift insert to paste it in there, and I accidentally did control V ahead of time, so it puts in garbage characters if you do that. So we're going to nano the SMB. Oh, look at all that sample configuration file. Well, let's take a look at what we want to change. So it says there's a global section, a home section, and a printer section. So we're going to add our piece at the end of the file. So we keep going, we keep going, we keep going. All right, so we're going to create a new shared directory. So we start out with this, my_share. That's the name of our share, and then we're going to put our configuration underneath it. So I'm going to copy and paste this. When you're pasting into Linux, you can use shift insert. There, that's a lot better than, it says path to shared directory. Well, we're going to have to create that later on, and we don't have a user 1 or a user 2 yet, so we'll have to create those. And it's not read-only. That means that we can, we only have user 1, so we'll just change that. So we'll create our directory after we're done with this. We already have a user 1. Do we have a user 1? Well, SAMBA uses its own user database, right? So, I don't know. You can integrate SAMBA with Active Directory, but that usually requires quite a bit more configuration than I want to do. So we're going to Control X to exit, and then we're going to create a SAMBA user. So we need to set up a SAMBA password. So I'm going to set up one for myself. And we'll do user 1. So this is a specific password for SAMBA. So that means that your regular database could have one, your regular local database could have one password, and your SAMBA could have its own. So we'll press enter. New SMB password. Well, I'm going to use the secret Linux rocks password. There. Okay, we added an account, new user. Yes. Now we've made our configuration changes, so our next part is to restart the SAMBA service to apply those changes. So let's go up here, shift insert to paste it in. That restarts the SAMBA service. And I don't know what NM is, name management, I don't know. Anyway, there's another service we have to restart. As long as when you're stopping and starting and all this with services and restarting, if nothing come back, that's good. Time to set up our folder for our shared directory. So we're going to create a new directory. So we go to, there's the command I used earlier to create the directory as I was testing this out. Sudo mkdir-p/service samba share. At this point, it's not going to do anything because I've already made the directory. So we also want to do a change mod for that. So sudo chmod, this is like with Windows, we're setting the local security, srv/samba/shra. So that'll change the so that everybody has access to it, which that's fine for what we're doing. There. Now the security is set up. Now we need to go back into our configuration file and change what's in there. So, no, I'm not going to copy anything. There we go, nano. Go down here. And see, this path is not right. So you do, let's see, srv slash SAMBA slash SHARE. There we go. Control S to save. Control X to exit. Now, do you suppose it works? Well, we do need to restart things. So let's do this command. This command tests the parameters of SAMBA. And it looks like everything was fine. And it gives you like all the stuff that's set up on there. There's no errors, so that's a good thing. We're going to restart our system, use our system CTL to restart SMDB. Oops, SMDB, not G. SMBD. And then we have NMBD. So everything is restarted. All things being equal, we should be able to get to this guy. Well, who knows? Let's go into our File Explorer. And we're going to verify access. So I do have directions in there on how to connect from a Linux or a Mac client. From Windows, we're going to go up to the address bar, type in //192.168.9.1110, which is the server IP address in my case, and then we do /share and see if we get lucky. Oh, my connection didn't work, so I ended up having to go back, and I discovered for some reason my share folder wasn't there. So I did a cd ... cd ... cd ... to get down to the root. I did an ls, and I discovered that, yes, my SRV folder was there, so I changed to SRV. And then I discovered there wasn't a share. It looks like I must have misspelled something. Oh, it says SAMBA. All things being equal, whoops, I forgot to type in the last part. Oh, you have to spell it right. You should get to this. I did discover a mistake I made. So let's log back in, and I'll have this fixed in the directions. There we go. Let's find our, there it is, password. Edit our SAMBA configuration, smb.config. If I go down to the very end, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I had accidentally named this as my_share. Well, if you do that, then that interferes with other things. I'm not sure what, but so I renamed it as share, and then it seemed to work fine. If you have trouble with this, please let me know. Oh, there we go. Forgot I disabled that as I was trying to figure it out. Regardless, you should be good to go. You have now connected. Oh, now that we have this share, we should make sure that it works. So we'll just create a little text document, TEXT. Oh, yep, there it is. Everybody's happy. So you are now successful. everything should be working. Let me know if you have any trouble, because this is a new lab and I think I got everything figured out, but you'll find out.